Welcome back everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you for coming back and watching one of our videos. So today I want to talk to you about something really good happened to me recently. And as you see the drone on the table, and let me put it straight up, it's not another drone review, it's something else. So I recently bought this little drone for my son. He's a 5-year-old, and you know, there's something to play at home while we're all sitting on a lockdown in this COVID situation. So it arrived, and you know, it's a little, obviously, drone, not much. It's, you know, fits in your hand, works well. So I'll quickly show you how it works. So you turn on, obviously, the remote. You turn on this little drone thingy. You pair the remote, so once it's stopped blinking paired, you push down and it starts, right? And then you obviously go up, down, left, right, and a few other features. So it works. It's a great little toy to play around the house. It doesn't break anything, thank God. But with this drone, the little gift card came in, and originally I didn't thought much of it. I just put it back in the box. As you know, I generally try to ignore all those gift cards and all those promotions. So, and I left it in the box. And then when I went to throw the box out, I looked at the gift card one more time, and you know, I thought, why not? I'll give it a try. So I filled it in, and I shipped it out, and forgot about it. So I'll show you on Amazon, basically. This is the drone I bought. Paid $29.99, so $30 for it. It's good price for this drone. It works well, and this is the gift card which arrived. Right. So what I did is I followed the instructions. I wrote a quick review on Amazon. You know, gave the review what I thought about the drone, and then I sent the following information to their support account, email address. Right. So put my Amazon order ID, shipping address where it was shipped, choice of gift. So I selected this middle drone, and the screenshot of the review. Right, I done that, and I completely, you know, forgot about it. And what happened is, 10 days later, the box arrives in my house. I was quite surprised, didn't thought about what, it wasn't any notification, it's just the courier showed up. I opened the box, and guess what I found? I found this, obviously fully packed, but it's a much, you know, obviously bigger drone, and you know, it showed up. I didn't have to pay anything for it. I didn't have to pay for the shipping, didn't have to pay for anything. And you know, I'll open it up, so it, you know, the arms flip out. It's obviously not for indoor use, right? It has some sensors here. It has a camera. It doesn't have any back sensors. So it might have a sensor here, I'm not sure what it is. But it's quite light, and you know, we went out and tried it outside, and you know, it's a lot of fun, and it's a good toy for a 5-year-old to play with. And you know, this is here the remote, comes with the opener for the phone, so you can stream the camera straight from the phone. You can control it from the phone. It's quite a few features. You know, it has 2 speeds, so it's slow or fast running, right? It has a flip feature, so you know, my son loves it. He just keeps flipping them around. So yes, you know, for buying this little one, I got this one for free. And you know, I thought to myself, I'll go check out how much this one actually costs on Amazon, right? And you know, if we go back to our Amazon, right, I found it right here, and it's $79.99, so $80. So buying something for $30, you get $80 worth of free stuff. I think it's a great deal. And do you know what I do want to say is, you know, I have to actually say thank you to this snaptain, I believe. company, right? Well done for honoring your gift card, well done for shipping it so quickly. And it is surprising that some companies still do it, especially with the current economic climate and everything, right? So, but by doing so, they also, I believe, generate loyal customers, right? And if I need another toy for my son, especially if he breaks this one and this one, I'll probably go and buy another one, and hopefully we'll get something else for free as well. So, but the reason I thought I'll make this video, right? First of all, receiving this drone make me feel good, but also it's the first time I actually got something for free, so it's like a double whammy, right? They honored their commitment, they sent the drone, and on top of it, from the personal side, it's first time I actually got something, because I've never won anything in any competitions or anything, or got any prizes. So it generally was a good feeling, and so I thought I'll share it and do a quick video on it, and also say thank you to Snaptain. And this video in no way sponsored by them or anything like that, but when someone does something good, you have to recognize it and I think praise it, and the more people do good in this world, I think the better the world will be. So that's it for the video. It was a short one. It was just quickly to say that's something good actually did happen, and there's still companies out there who believe in supporting their customers and generating loyal customers. So well done to Snaptain, and thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and good luck and all the best, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Take care.